Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant B5 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you've either broken your key in your key switch assembly, or your key switch assembly is bad and just needs replaced. This is how you do it, super simple. First, you want to unravel your charger cord. And then there are two Torx 25 screws at the bottom of the console that you have to remove. So now that we got the console open, this exposes the back side of your key switch assembly. So what you want to do is just remove the wires. Just like that. Now there is a nut that is holding the key switch assembly to the console. We want to go ahead and remove the nut. There's also a ground wire. Go ahead and take that off there. And now you can push your key switch assembly through the front side. Just like that. Now to replace the key switch assembly, just reverse the steps. It only goes in one way. Place your ground wire back on. Replace the nut. Now you want to make sure that nut is good and tight. Now all I have to do is put the wires back on. Now, after we reattach the wires there, all we got to do is raise the console up so we can screw it back down to the machine. Hold it in place like that. Now all we have to do is screw in the two Torx 25 screws at the bottom. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.